Hi, hello my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం.
Today I am going to prepare one of the famous chutney, ginger chutney. Ginger chutney is the best combination with pesarattu, idli or dosa. This is the one of the favorite chutney for Indians. Come on, let's start the process. Required ingredients are dry red chillies, white ura dal, garlic, jaggery, ginger, tamarind, salt, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, curry leaves. Take a pan, add required amount of oil, once oil get heated, add white ura dal, fry it on a low flame. Once it's get fried, now add chopped ginger, stir it once. Now add garlic cloves and cumin seeds. Stir it once. Now add dried chillies. Combine everything. Fry it on a low flame. Add tamarind. Add jaggery. Add required amount of water. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until water get evaporated. Now switch off the flame and transfer this into a plate. Once the mixture gets cooled, now transfer this into a blender. For long life of the chutney, we need to use warm water. Once grinding is done, now add required amount of salt and again grind it. For tadaka, take a pan, add required amount of oil, and once oil get heated, add smashed garlic, once raw flavor gone, now add mustard seeds, add dried red chillies, now add curry leaves and switch off the flame. Now add this tempering to the chutney. Now you can enjoy this chutney with idli, dosa and different kinds of breakfast items.